Good morning, children. This is Shoaib also speaking. Children, we have been dealing with chapter 3 that is about data handling. And presently, at this moment, we are dealing with the exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2, question number 4. So, from question number 4, we will start this video. So, here in this question number 4, it's written that find the mode and median of this data. So data is given to us. Data is 13, then 4 after 13 there is 16, 16, then 12, then 14, then 19, then 12, then 14, then 13, then 14. So children, here we are given the data. Let us count the number of data. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There are 9 number of data. Okay children, so like it is better, let us arrange the data. So after arranging the given data we get. So let us arrange the data in a proper way. Okay, like we will arrange them in a ascending order. So which one is the smallest number over here? The smallest number we can see over here, that is 12. The smallest number we can see over here, that is 12. After 12, it's 12. Okay, there are how many 12 is there? 1 2 12 is there. Then 13, how many 13 are there? 1 2 13 are there. Next 14, then 14, 1 2 3 14 are there. Then we are not given 15. Then 16, only 1 16 is there. Then 19, directly 19. Let us count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So children, what is the like mode of this data? So children, here we can see 12 is appeared 2 times, 13 is appeared 3 times, 14 is appeared 3 times. So mode of the given data will be 14. Okay, and what is the median of this data? Children, the median of the given data will be here. The middle number 9 is the total number of data. 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. So this 14 will come at the center. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So from this 14, in the left hand side there are 4 data, and from right hand side there are 4 data. So naturally median will also be 14. So I got the answer, children. So we got the answer. The mode will be 14 because frequency for 14 is the maximum number of time. That is, it has appeared 3 times, and the median also 14 because 14 is coming at the middle. So children, don't forget to arrange the data because arranging the data is very important. All right. So we got our answer. Now let us answer the true false, the statement for true false. Now question number 5 is about tell whether the statement is true or false. The mode is always one of the numbers in the data. Of course, children, because when we get any like set of number, suppose in the previous question only we can see here only we can see the mode was 14 because 14 is from the given data, of course, and mode is the data which is what appears for a maximum number of time. So here 14 has appeared for the maximum number of time, and 14 belongs to the given data only. So it is always, children, the mode will be always from the data itself. The whatever the answer will be coming for mode, it always the number present in the data. Number 2, the mean is is one of the numbers in the data. Children, it is not necessary that the mean which will calculate for a given data. Suppose like I'm given the data like 6 12 14 19 12 14, then 14, If I find the mean of this data, maybe, may not be, I'll get the mean which belongs to the, which will be belonging to the data. Not necessarily that it will be matching with the data. Okay, it may come, may not come, but most of the cases it doesn't match only. Number 3, the median is always one of the numbers in the data. Children, it is not always true, because when we are having like odd number of data, it's okay, the data the median belongs to the data only. But when the data is in even number of series, okay, at that time what we do, we find out the mean of the, like, middle two numbers. We find the mean of the middle two numbers. In that case it comes in decimal, or it comes, something which is not matching with the data. So it is not always true. Okay, if it is like odd number of data, it's fine, median will be the number median will be from the given data only. But if the data is in odd number of, in even number of series, in that situation what happens is, maybe the data are not same. Next, question number 4, the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13 and 9 has mean 9. Children, there is no observation from here. We have to just simply add them. We have to just simply add them and we have to divide. Means we have to find the mean actually. So 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let us find the mean of this data. So 6 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 8. Okay. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus 9, 30, 30 plus 12, 42, 42 plus 13, 42 plus 13, 55, 55 plus 9, 55 plus 9, 64, 64 by 8. So if I reduce it, I'll get 8 only, because 8 is 64. My final answer is 8. Matlab mean is 8. And the question was given, in question it was said mean will be 9. So of course these two words are not matching. Once here in the book it's 9 and I'm getting after this calculation is 8. So naturally it is different. Okay, so it's a false statement. So I believe it's clear to everyone. Please try out these questions in your classwork copy and do submit this work in the Google Classroom. If there is any doubts or confusion, please let me know. Feel free to speak. I'll surely explain this question once again to you all. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.